oh, I forgot, these are great. Anybody ever hear of a company called Becker School Supply?
Yes.
These are awesome. They have a new mindfulness and yoga card set. These are amazing. They're all different things. Even if you forget to do my poses or you don't have a TV or something that you can go on YouTube, these are great. Chair pose, dragon pose, back pose. There's one that's called, you can just hold on to your chair for a second? Okay, cool. There you go. I'll hand it right back to you. I know you want to do it your way, but that's okay. Okay, cool. Awesome. There's one that's called Dragon Breath. That's not the dragon breath that we've been taught, but it's a different dragon breath. This one's called Hot Chocolate. I love it. This one is where you're holding onto a cup of hot chocolate and you breathe in and you smell the hot chocolate with your nose. Like that. And then when you breathe out, you're cooling off the hot chocolate. And you're breathing in with the hot chocolate. And you're cooling off the hot chocolate. Just like that. Okay, cool. Awesome.